with another review from 4Patriots, company that I love very much. And right here today we've got the Campfire cooking kit. Spring is here, summer is just around the corner. You're going to want to go camping, whether you're out in the woods, desert, or heck, happen to be in your own backyard camping. Gotta be prepared. So enough from me. Let's see what you got, 4Patriots. Let's see what you got in here. I just got this the other day and I haven't opened it yet. That's why I'm bringing you this. Be with me on this journey. Alright. Nice and packaged. Nice little carrying case. And I'll admit, it's not heavy. I thought it'd be pretty heavy, but it's actually pretty light. Not that point. It's a good thing. Light is good. Zip this here. Alright. We've got a little pot right here. I'll go ahead and take the plastic off. Alright. Got the pan right here. I actually thought this was the top. This is actually the pan. Oh wow. Take this off. You can see, folds up. Makes it a little more compact. Alright. Get this right here. There we go. Alrighty. Got your nice little pan here. And more importantly, this right here in the blue. As we all know, these tend to get hot naturally. But this right here saves you from burning your hands. Nice little, kind of like I said, very compact. Put on. Alright, that's it. Squeeze here, move it down. Simple enough. Simple enough. Alright, what else we got here? Little introduction here. Of course. Little blank page you can put your recipes on. I'm not much of a recipe guy. I just pretty much throw the basics in there. No chef or anything, but you got this right here. Little manual. And this here is just a top. For the pot. And here's the pot right here. Once again, nice and light. Not too heavy. I'll go ahead and put the top. There we go. And this blue right here, once again, keeps you from getting your hands burnt. I said pretty light. You know, I'll admit that. I'm impressed. It's not heavy or anything. I definitely will be cooking a lot of my pork and beans in this thing. So I love pork and beans. Hey, 4Patriots. I got to admit, so far I am impressed. Last but not least, we've got the Swiss Army knife right here. Get your cheese grater right here. Got a spoon here. camping, you got some wine. Cook your wine here. Can opener here. Not too sure what this is used for. Let me know down in the comments. What else we got? This is like jack of all trades. Got you a knife right here. Got you another blade right here. You could never run out of cutting utensils. Peel your potatoes and carrots with this thing. Not too sure what this one's used for, but you know, if you know, let me down in the comments. So this is it, folks. 4Patriots Campfire cook set. Said, got your lentil frying pan right here. Nice little compact, you know, just squeeze. Open up your good. Your pot, which is nice and light. And once again, comes with a little burn protection right here. And this thing, I will say, very impressive 4Patriots. Very impressive. Jack of all trades. You got whatever you need. Preparing food, eating food. Heck, uncork some wine, relax. That's what I'm talking about. And if you know me personally, I love some 4Patriots. And can't forget about the case right here. Pack everything all in one. Take it with you. Put it in the RV, put it in the back of the truck, car, whatever. It doesn't take up too much space. The next time you go camping, bring this with you. You won't be disappointed. I will be using this a lot this summer. Well, thank you everybody for joining me. Just wanted to do a quick review, a little unboxing of this thing. Like I said, got it a couple days ago. Haven't used it yet, but I will in the near future. Wanted to show it to everybody. Go over to 4patriots.com. Last I looked, I believe the price was $64.99. I'm not too sure. May have to double check. But anyway, just go on the website, check them out. Get you a nice campfire cook set. That'll be it for this video. Thank you for joining me. Please share, like, subscribe. And once again, thank you to 4Patriots. Another great product. They never disappoint me, and they will not disappoint you. Bring this video to a close. I will see you on the next one. Spider out.